don't just pick anybody. There are so many. How many MPs do we have in Uganda? Why is it that we picked only him? And we didn't pick him as MP because he's MP or as MP of Nakawa. No, we picked him because he's a suspect. He's mentioned. And by the way, this is not the first case, as you have reported in the media. He's under another case of terrorism. He was, which you know. So, it's not, don't confuse things. And I don't know why in any event, we know that MPs also are vulnerable to committing crime.